What's going on, guys? We are back at it again. We are doing video number 5. So far, we have gone through these trucks over here. We've done the Donko from Panda Hobbies. We've done my snake bite. We've done this guy, the Element Enduro, who I just filmed. He is actually in the lead with a time of... I gotta get my sheet. He had 3 penalties, came in at 3 minutes 29 seconds with the penalties added. So he is in the lead, guys. And then next up in second place is the Defender 90. That he got 3 minutes 31 seconds plus 2 penalties, 3 minutes 41 seconds. Yeah, so it's getting pretty close. Next up, we have all of the axial trucks. Baby Digger has returned after being kidnapped from my dad. So, next up, we are going to do my dad's Deadbolt. And miraculously enough, I have convinced him to compete against me.
Gonna teach this young blood who's the boss.
So yeah, guys, let's get to it and get his Deadbolt on the starting block. All right, guys, here we go. Dad's Deadbolt on the starting block, and we are hitting the start now. Through gate 1 with no penalty, coming across the log bridge. His lights are pretty bright. Ooh, he saved it. Can he still make it? Uh-oh. Oh, roll over. In and out, throttle out. Oh, helping hand. Gate 3, guys. Over the tabletop, through the wooden cubes, over to gate 4. Ooh, he did it. Under the campsite, over to gate 5. He hit it? Oh, yep. He hit it. Oh, no. Helping hand, guys. Helping hand. Oh, I don't know if I can reach it. Okay, there we go. That's quite the reach back in that corner. That was gate 5, working our way to gate... Oh, no! for that, I believe. 5 penalties so far, guys. Gate 6. Unscathed. Yeah, Deadbolt is looking pretty sweet, guys. Up over the rock bridge. Down through the teeter-totter behind Bigfoot. Look out, he's gonna attack. Down to gate 7. Over to gate 8. Back through the brick, underneath the log bridge, through gate 9.
Ooh.
I didn't think, did you hit it?
Touched it, yeah.
He did?
Yep.
6 penalties, guys. Under through the rock tunnel, through gate 10, down the back stretch, and time. Did you hit the finish line?
No, I flipped
You
over.
did.
I flipped over.
Oh shoot! I was premature at the time.
Yeah, I flipped over.
There you have it, guys. Deadbolt, Dad's Deadbolt. He did pretty good. He did pretty good. He's definitely improved quite a bit, guys. Quite a bit. He's gonna be coming up and beating my butt here pretty quick. All right, there you have it. That was video number 5. I think it's video number 5. We are struggling today, guys. All right, video number 5, guys. Dad's Deadbolt. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you later.